Hey guys, welcome back to Epps Travel Adventures. Me and my friend went on a 5-night Norwegian cruise. We sailed on the Joy this time to Bermuda. I love Bermuda, it's amazing. I have been on this cruise line before, and I have been on this particular ship before. This was not new to me, but that's okay. I wanted to show you guys a little bit about the ship, some food we ate, also what we drank. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm here in the car. Homegirl just ran into Wawa for some last minute snacks. I don't know what she's doing, but we are taking the New Jersey Transit bus from Toms River to whatever bus station that is in Manhattan. I don't know. Sorry guys, sometimes I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing. The bus station is Port Authority Station, and then we'll have to take a taxi on the bus. It wasn't bad at all. We got here like, what, 20 minutes early? 9:30. Half hour early. It leaves at 10, and then we just went and stood near the New York City sign, and it was so easy. We're like second in line. Got right on the bus, and there's always some characters. There were some characters, yes. There's going to be characters on the bus. But I'll let you know how it goes. So we're all checked in, ready to go. That wasn't bad at all. Not bad at all. Now we're going to get on the ship and get some food. How's it going so far? It's going pretty good. Couple drinks in. Yeah, a couple drinks in, feeling good. Music's vibing. The rooms aren't ready yet, so we're just hanging on the top deck here. It's pretty packed, but I think because the rooms aren't ready, so. Service is going smoothly. Service is smooth. Everything's been good. We had lunch at the local. That was pretty good. Not outstanding, but it's alright. It'll do. Yes, right. And tonight we're having dinner at the seafood restaurant. I can't remember what it's called, but it doesn't matter. I mean, who are we kidding? It totally matters. We are foodies. Duh. Ocean Blue. That's where we ate. Okay, it's time for a little room tour. We got an inside room. It comes with 2 little twin beds. It's very small, but if you're a person who doesn't really need to be in your room that much, I think it's perfect, and it is the cheapest option. The room really has everything you need. You have your bed, you have a little fridge, you have a TV. The bathroom is fine. I mean, it gets the job done. Those water bottles that you saw lined up, I paid extra for those. I believe it's around $35. Depending on the number of nights that your cruise is, you get a free specialty dining, and we chose Ocean Blue, the seafood restaurant. We started out with the scallops. No offense, they were the worst things I've ever had. Then we had the bang bang shrimp. That was good. The steak I was happy with. And then for dessert, I really enjoyed that cheesecake in a jar. That was really good. Norwegian really has a lot of fun activities. Here I'm playing trivia, and I had a blast. I ended the day with the lemon drop martini, and that was fabulous. Then I went to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will have a couple more videos coming with this trip. Take care.